Hi, let me show you how to set OTG connection on Samsung Galaxy A36. For that, we need to go ahead and open Settings and scroll all the way down to find this last tab About Phone. Now I want you to tap Software Information and find Build Number. So we are gonna tap 7 times on that build number to activate developer options. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And after that, allow development settings. Now, developer mode has been turned on. To check this, we need to go back and find out that developer options now appears under About Phone tab. So select it and scroll till you can see category Networking, in which you need to find default USB configuration and set it to transferring files just by tapping that option. Now go back, scroll up, and here find USB debugging. But as you can see, this feature is deactivated. That is because it is blocked by auto blocker. So we need to go back in settings, tap on search bar and search for auto blocker and temporarily turn it off by tapping turn off. Now we need to return to developer options settings and enable USB debugging by tapping OK button. And that's it, all set. So, if this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.